beautiful people. Is your one and only lady. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My Bonga people, today's topic now about destiny etiko. Una know say since when she take buy motor, news just dey fly everywhere. They go. News dey fly everywhere. Say na sugar daddy buy car for am. Na this buy car for am. Na this one buy car for am. You know, she herself can't even tire for the matter. Say wetin dey play, wetin dey happen, wetin she do. She only post car wey she buy. People just begin dey talk say na so one man buy the car for am because they see one bead for her hand wey she say she love that bead. Say anytime she see that bead, she dey always dey remember somebody. Because of that one, and they go bring one man wey be the man all those whether na palmy type, I don't know. The man put the same bead for hand. They go bring the man come out to the same, and that man now he buy car for destiny etiko. My darling people, more na dey talk wetin una eye reach o. Una know that man with una don see two of them together. The girl sef even be rest for the matter, but when they come bring the man come out, the girl she hospitalized 10 times. Now she can't come out now. Oh my people, low. Some of these our bloggers, more na see the more as in more na see they find that sometimes. Not be everything I will just carry come out because the people drama and still can't do my own. Not be everything. Now somebody name when they spoil like that now. Me we see they take am easy. Okay, Destiny Etiko don't come out now. She don't vex come out and say she be don't want to respond because she dey see a lot where they happen ever since. I go put the video which she talk, my darling people. A lot don't they happen ever since. She don't tire. Say wait till they happen, wait till they play. She only post car where she buy. Why the car now can't turn problem? Car can't turn problem, a very big problem now. People now they say na the person, na the man I buy the car for her. When I listen to my darling people.
A lot has been going on. A lot has been flying on the internet. A lot has been going on. Ever since I posted my vehicle. A lot has been flying on the internet ever since I posted my vehicle. I haven't rested. And I do not know why. I wanted to keep quiet because, of course, but a clear conscience fears no accusation. But things kept coming up and up as if I have done something wrong. I don't know this man. So I am here to clear the air. I don't know him. I have never. I don't know this man you people speak of. I don't know him. I have never met him in my entire life. I swear with my life. I swear with everything I hold sacred. Another person I hold so dear to my heart. Apart from my life. Another person I hold so dear to my heart is my mother. I swear with my mother, him giving me any money, if I have ever met this man, or him giving me any money, or him sponsoring my project, or him even buying me a car, let it not never be well with me and my entire generation. But if not, if shall never this whole thing up, the bloggers sponsoring it, it shall never be well with you all and your entire generation.
For the bloggers then, where they carry the fake rumor they go. Because of what she talks and I make me want to react. Oh, now when somebody blows more, now begin to say na sugar daddy, now this so. Now so tomorrow now we'll go blow for this YouTube now. Una will say na a sugar daddy then they follow now. Na sugar daddy now give them this money. Maybe we take a easy. Maybe we talk with our Irish. Some of us we too they carry fake rumor. We too they carry fake rumor money. It's not good. Now somebody name on the spoil, Now somebody name. She said she don't even know that man. So they go carry the man, go carry and near him. Or because una want talk, una want do topic. Maybe we take am easy now. Now somebody name on the spoil, Before the girl she come begin dey spoil like this, you know say water don pass garri. Many people don dey call am say, so now this man give you money, make you take buy car. Now this man give you money, make you take buy car. Man, what they not even know before. If that man come out tomorrow now, come begin dey react for now, say the man a bad person. Una just go carry person because she talk about bid. Una go wallow somebody come out una no even know. Una never see before. Una go carry and come and say na he come buy car for Destiny. Now wow, nothing wey Musa no go see forget to my darling people. Una go break and come and say na he buy car for am. Man wey una forget say this Destiny na Malay. Une Malay na she dey date. Malaysia guys, guy that is the date too. Malaysia guy, now Destiny the date. I don't be one of us go see one family type I don't know what they call the man. When I go break come and say now they buy car for Destiny now. Doesn't mean say young guy not come the way get money. Don't forget say Yahoo boys full Nigeria there. If people say now money, she get money now. She never married. If people be saying now money, maybe say they fear not to bring a car come out now for social media. Social media, Mona take am easy. Mona take am easy. Mona they talk with una eye rich, not both una eye no rich. This girl the verse now. She the verse. I not be her fault. I not blame her because somebody where you can't go put life for your head say na man when she never see for her life, now back her for her. She go verse. So she just come out, come clear the hair, say, he no know that man before. She never see that man for her life. He no know where some of all those bloggers go bring that man, come and say that the man way back her for her, and I be that one. She did in pain. Now make she come out, come talk. If now you still come out, come clear the hair. So you don't know, you never see that man before for your life. She even use her mama to swear now. Make them they fear now to come bring what they buy now. Say make people see follow their appeal, give them congrats to no problem now to even bring her come out. Maybe we take her easy. Maybe they use our HQ sometimes. Some of us we too they lie. Sometimes I just want to surprise me past. They just go bring somebody where they never see before. They go bring a come out to say that the man will buy car. The man not use the man talk ambo. The man not use the man talk ambo because when I just see the bid where Destiny bring come out say the same bid where they with Destiny, they with the man. I just believe say that the man I buy car for them. Now wow, me some of una more fear God. More fear God though. My darling people, I be able to think about this video. I will put the video again. More understand what should they use, what should they talk about again. My darling people, thank you. Bye. Share this video and share this video, please.
A lot has been going on. A lot has been flying on the internet ever since I posted my vehicle. I haven't rested, and I do not know why. I had wanted to keep quiet because, of course, a clear conscience fears no accusation. But things kept coming up and up as if I have done something wrong. So I am here to clear the air. I don't know this man you people speak of. I don't know him. I have never met him in my entire life. I swear with my life, I swear with everything I hold sacred. In fact, apart from my life, another person I hold so dear to my heart is my mother. I swear with my mother's life. If I have ever met this man, or him giving me any money, or him sponsoring my project, or him even buying me a car, let it not ever be well with me and my entire generation. But if not, these people cooking this whole thing up, the bloggers sponsoring it, it shall never be well with you all and your entire generation.